Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Laraib Education Tips. I am back with another topic. This topic is figure point 15 and for working D and also called to in chemical dictate and we ensure that tight and the made by specific portion, the specific portion and sequence of their and amino acid D and control this sequence amino acid. That sequence is its nucleus that during portion science and sequence of D and nucleus and diseases we cut that and sequence of amino acid and propose the specific sequence of DNA nucleus inquired that from other messenger RNA mRNA nucleus that this is process is called to transcription that MR increase sequence for other nucleus too and thymus and other one is kept then sequence is joined to specific amino acid according to inform portion step is note that is the translation fig point 4 and part of T and in sequence to nucleus that in content increase it for thesis and critical that portion here to genetic contingent of gene another comes in given to also that in critical that 1000 of generate and chromosome that also equivalent that chromosomes located option position generic in chromosomes location is must subscribe my YouTube channel Laraib Education Tips. Now I am telling about this detail in lecture and which studies the choice and made by specific and portion specific and portion that other one to sequence of their amino acid DNA control. This sequence of amino acid, this sequence is its the nucleus site as duty and protein and synthesis is the sequence of DNA nucleotides. It's the decide to and what and going to be sequence of amino that and including capital from other that another one to come back that and specific portion is other two and sequence amino acid G and control and this sequence amino acid that sequence is the metabolic during portion synthesis in sequence D and including the decided that will to be sequence amino acid purpose that specific sequence of C and the add copies is other manager R&D include this is important of RD and one to is equations and one in metabolic that quants is lost thymus sources is ribosomes in read sequence they are joined to specific amino acid according to either one portion that one is sequence control and fig 15.4 part of DNA are sequence of nucleus that content is nucleus particular portion is note that in genetic content one another one to go back that is most important is one in other go back as threshold as is important that one in other compact that one is most important is as is this easier in contribution that sequence and sequence that other one to come back that is most important called sequence in C and the joint specific amino acid according to its from portion in step no the transitions in other is to cap 115 to and part of T and in sequence the nucleus that content is instruction with shield in particular portion note that is generated in thousands of genes like chromosomes is other occupied than in chromosomes in located in other one to most important that other one to notification that is joined to specific amino acid according to from other this step 2 and transition fig point find that part of D and sequence other that content is instruction thesis particle portion is no that is other component that in thousands of genic and other chromosomes can occur in partner composition located portion of genes in chromosomes in located in other step 1 2 and go back is the most important. That one is the sequality that shades its sequence joint specific need acid. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel Laraib Education Tips. Allah Hafiz.